Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
Hello! This week only you can get 50% off my listening course. It's the best price offered on this course all year, and the sale ends on Saturday. But don't buy this course only because it's on sale. Instead, join this course if you're serious about improving your English listening. I'll be honest with you, getting better at understanding fast-spoken English is not easy. There's no instant solution. Instead, it takes effort and practice. But for students who are willing to do the work, it's worth it. Here's a comment from one of my students. I'm doing the listening course and I truly appreciate it. The way the course is conceived makes you learn effectively. It's not passive listening, it's active, interesting, and fun. I like the variety of topics, different voices, and ways of speaking. The extra vocabulary of the lessons clarifies just what I need to know. I'm seeing real results. When I watch a video on the internet or a movie on the TV, I find myself able to understand that expression or phrase because I learned it in my lessons. And wow, it's satisfying. The more you understand, the more you enjoy. If you're ready to practice listening and improve your understanding of English in the next few weeks, then I'd love to help you inside the listening course. Click on the link to sign up at a discount and get started today.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.